In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use undo and redo in Canva. If you're working on a Canva design and something suddenly moves, changes, or gets deleted by mistake, don't worry. Canva makes it very easy to reverse an action and get your design back to the way it was before. This is one of the most useful basic features to know, especially when you're editing quickly or testing different layout ideas. Start by opening your Canva design so you can see the page or element you want to work with. Once your design is open, take a quick look at the current arrangement of your text, images or graphics. If you accidentally changed the position of something, resized it, or made a design adjustment that you don't want to keep, you can simply use the undo function. To do that, click undo, and Canva will return your design to its previous state. This is helpful whenever you want to immediately reverse the last action you made. For example, if an element shifted out of place or you edited something by accident, undo can quickly restore it to its original position without forcing you to manually fix it. If you change your mind after using undo, Canva also gives you the option to move forward again using redo. Just click redo and it will restore the action you just reversed. This is useful when you're comparing changes or when you accidentally undo something that you actually wanted to keep. For an even faster workflow, you can also use keyboard shortcuts. Press Ctrl and Z on your keyboard to undo your last action. Press Ctrl and Y to redo it. These shortcuts are especially useful if you're making frequent edits and want to work more efficiently without moving your mouse back and forth. As a helpful tip, get into the habit of using undo and redo while designing, especially when you're experimenting with different layouts. It gives you more freedom to try things out, because you know you can always go back one step or move forward again if needed. That's all there is to it. Once you know how to use undo and redo in Canva, fixing accidental changes becomes quick and stress-free, and it makes the whole design process much smoother.